Welcome back. Today we have a very simple tutorial for you how to make your own bleach at home. Guys, this is the easiest, this is the simplest that we have done so far. It will take you 3 minutes and you're done and you have bleach for years. Okay, maybe not years. Tuseme tu, a lot of bleach, maybe for months, guys. So for the ingredients to make 6 liters of jik, I paid 60 Kenya shillings. Guys, 60 bob for 6 liters. 6 liters is this, okay, plus this. I mean 60 Kenya shillings. Again, caveats, guys, the prices might have gone up since I last bought, but usually because I've been doing this for about 2 years, it's been costing me about 60 shillings, okay? But then again, we're in COVID, things are changing, you know, economy, like this, like that. So I cannot guarantee that you'll buy it for 60 bob, but that's how much I've been buying it for the last 2 or so years, okay? But at the end of the day, guys, even if the price has gone up by like 10 bob, 20 bob, even 50 bob, it is still way cheaper than how much you would pay at the supermarket, trust me. So guys, I'm so glad that you're here. Let's learn together, okay? And before we go any further, I hope you guys are doing your fly lady routines. I hope you have your morning routine done. I hope you're taking those baby steps and growing and just changing and cleaning your house kidogo kidogo, so that at the end of this, all our homes will be looking like that, right? So welcome, and let's go to the ingredients. They will come packaged like this. Guys, I buy them at the same place where I buy the liquid detergent and the softener and the hand wash. So if you haven't watched those videos, please go, you'll get the directions there. But usually it's just here in town, Tuskys OTC, there's a shop there, you will find it. Just ask the guard at Tuskys OTC na atakwambia, okay? So you open your ingredients. Let me show you what we have. Simple, okay? For ease, I usually ask the guys to mark for me, put numbers on the ingredients so that I know which one goes first, okay, which one goes second, and which one goes third. All right, so we only have 3 ingredients for this. Guys, making bleach is so easy, you won't believe. So this is number 1, number 2, and I have my number 3. And for once, I actually have the names of the ingredients, but I have to refer to my 2 notes, okay? So the number 1 is, this is caustic. I've been doing my homework. Number 2 is chlorine, because it's chlorine bleach. And number 3 is magadi. Hey, I did my homework, okay? So now here's what we're going to do. You're going to put your 6 liters of water in a basin, okay? So that's 1 liter. And this is my 5 liters. So there we go. So we have 6 liters of water, okay? And remember, I told you, isi mupe ugali. So, and that's why I was saying in the beginning, in my very first video about how to make your own liquid detergent, get your own equipment for doing all this. Because you know you're using them, I'm using it to make liquid detergent, to make hand wash, to make softener, to make bleach, to make many other things that we'll make in the future. So have your own equipment just for this, because it's something that you'll be doing over and over. So yeah, that's why I went and bought my own things, my own miko, my own sufuria for softener and all that, okay? Then once you have your 6 liters, you will take your number 1 ingredient, which we said is caustic. All right, so just open it. And again, guys, this is bleach, so don't touch these things with your hands. If possible, get gloves. Lakini mimi sina jimindo ule mse. Yeah, but so far I haven't had any problem with my skin because I don't touch it with my hands. But to be on the safe side, just use gloves. So take your caustic, put it in, and mix until it has dissolved. Okay. And as I told you, if you can go to the shop and buy all these ingredients and buy enough to last you like for a while, that's good. So you don't need to keep making trips. Like if you're going to make bleach, depending on how often you guys use bleach in your house, you can buy like 2 or 3 packets so that you don't have to keep going back there. If you're buying for detergent, buy like 2 or 3 packets again. For hand wash, the same way for softener. and this saves you trips, guys. All right, so our caustic is mixed. All right, then we will take our package number 2, which is the chlorine. All right, and you'll pour it in and you mix. Please do this in a place that has enough ventilation, okay? Because these things tend to go in the air. Kama una hewa, it's chlorine, guys. Sitaki watu wa faint alafu waseme, oh, it's because of Suzy's Homestead. Oh, sijui nini, I fainted in the room. So take extra precaution. Have your kids away. As you can see, my kids are nowhere to be had because I want them away when I'm doing all this. For safety reasons, protect yourself, guys. There's no need we save all this money and then we go spend it in the hospital. Yeah, so make sure you've mixed in your chlorine. All right, and once you felt that it's mixed in thoroughly, you'll put in your last ingredient, which is the magadi. Pour it into your 6 liters. And stir it in. Guys, I would suggest buy mask mkifanya hii kazi. So I can already smell it's a bit strong. Okay, so now it is thoroughly mixed, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to take all this mixture of yours and put it in a safe spot, away from children's reach, away from cats and dogs and all other man of wildlife. And then every day for the next 4 days, you go and then you mix it, because there's still some sediments that still to mix, and they still need to mix, and they take a bit of time, okay? So every day, around the same time if possible, every day just go and mix it and cover. Then the next day mix it and cover for 4 days. Make sure you mix it thoroughly, okay? Then after 4 days, you're going to sieve out, because there'll still be a bit of sediments at the bottom. Sieve them out. You toss those in the bin, and the liquid that you're left with is bleach. It will be clear. It will be just as good as any bleach you can buy at the supermarket, guys. For only 60 bob, we have our 6 liters of bleach. So there you go. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.